trouble mounting for Anil Ambani in a loan bank fraud case. ED has summoned Anil Ambani for 5th of August in this loan fraud case. The Congress, meanwhile, has jumped in to slam government of the centre over ED's findings. ED has summoned Anil Ambani, has already been raiding not just via ED but other agencies also have been questioning and have been after Anil Ambani. I'm talking about an alleged loan fraud of 12,500 crore rupees. Amid all of this, while there are raids still on with on properties linked to Anil Ambani's group under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, but why is the Congress jumping on it? Congress said, look, we warned you already in 2018 that there was Anil Ambani and the Modi government were indulging in sort of deals, even though this was a debt-ridden firm. Madhikam Tagore, Congress Member of Parliament, specifically took to social media site that and mentioned that a Rafale offset deal that replaced the HAL was given to Anil Ambani's firm, and why? My colleague Aishwarya Paliwal joins for the latest on that. Aishwarya, so clearly while the ED raids have been on, political showdown escalating as well. Why do you think the Congress party is jumping on this and connecting the raids and the case to Modi government?
Well, we have seen how, Pooja, time and again, the Congress party has been raising fingers at the Ambani family, specifically Rahul Gandhi. He's been making personal pot shots at the Ambani family and also linking the Ambanis with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, with the Enforcement Directorate tightening the noose, the Congress party is now joining the dots and saying that the action that you are taking in 2025 is the action that you should have taken almost 10 years ago. Because it was the Congress party that was time and again pointing fingers and saying that you should look at the finances, you should also see the loans that Anil Ambani and his various companies have got. Where is the money going on? Where is the siphoning happened? Those were the questions that were being asked by the Congress party, the main opposition party. And now they are saying that what we said way back in 2018, everything is coming out to be true. Now you are seeing the Enforcement Directorate taking action against Anil Ambani.
All right, Aishwarya will be tracking the political aspect of it. Meanwhile, Munish Pandey is tracking the raids. Our team is on this big story because this, remember, also puts a question mark on a name that clearly has been a huge businessman for years in the country.